Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. We will start step by step, slowly and clearly. Together, we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and easy grammar. You will also practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a fun and friendly way. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. With practice, patience, and the right lessons, you will see progress every day. So join me on this journey, and let's start learning English from scratch.
Let's practice English for today's lesson is going to give you the answers. Let's go to the first slide. So the question was, write the pronouns that come after the verb. For example, give me. So me is a pronoun that comes after the verb. So do you know all the pronouns that come after the verb? Let's see the answers in the next slide. So pronouns that come after the verb, we call them object pronouns because they come after the verb. So the first pronoun is me. Give me. Listen to me. Help me. The second pronoun is you. I help you. I understand you. The third pronoun is him. Tell him. I help him. The next pronoun is her. Help her. I help her. It. I know it. I understand it. I eat it. So these are for the singular form. Let's go to the plural form. Help us. They understand us. They listen to us. You in the plural form. I help you all. So it's plural. Help them. Listen to them. Give them. So these are the answers. Try to practice them and to remember them. So let's go to the second slide. He wants. In present simple, the verb with he and she and it take an S. So the verb takes an S with he, she, it. He wants to learn English. If you write he want without S, it's not correct. The second sentence, she go to the gym every day. So the answer is she goes. Y-E-S. We studied in our lessons of present simple that if the verb ends in O or double S, SH, CH, X, and Z, so with he, she, it, doesn't take just S, takes ES. She goes to the gym every day. Number 3, Alison watch TV in the evening. So Alison watches, so the verb ends in CH. Watches TV in the evening. If you write Alison watch with S, watches with S, it's not correct. ES. And goes, if you write it just with S, it's not correct. ES. Jackson misses his family very much. Jackson misses his family very much. If you write Jackson miss, it's not correct. If you write miss with 3S, it's not correct. So the correct answer is with ES. If you have problems, go to our lessons in this channel of present simple with he, she, it. Let's go to the negative form. So he wants to learn English. How can we put it in the negative form? Some students write he not want to learn English. It's not correct. Some students write, he isn't want to learn English. It isn't correct. Let's see the correct answer. So when we have he and we have a verb, so we need to use doesn't in the negative form. He doesn't want to learn English. If you write he don't want to learn English, it's not correct. So he isn't is not correct. He don't is not correct. He aren't is not correct. So the correct answer is he doesn't want to learn English. Number 2, she go to the gym every day. So the same answers. If you say she isn't, she don't, it's not correct. Or she not go, it's not correct. So the correct answer, she doesn't go to the gym every day. Alison watch TV in the evening. If you write Alison isn't watch, don't watch, aren't watch, not watch, it's not correct. So Alison doesn't watch TV in the evening. I will explain why. Jackson misses his family very much. If you write Jackson isn't, don't, aren't, isn't, not, they are not correct. The correct answer is doesn't miss his family very much. Now I explain to you the answer why we put doesn't in the negative form. So when we have verbs, for example, want, go, speak, travel, so these normal verbs, so always in the negative form with he, she, it, we put doesn't. Let's go to the next question, Now, how can I make a question of these words but without WH words, as I said in the previous lesson? So he want to learn English. How can I make question? We can say, I can write, he want to learn English and question mark. It's not correct. I can write, he wants with S, because we have he. He wants to learn English question mark. It's not correct. Let's see the answer. The answer is does. So when we have a verb, we need to use does because we have he. Does he want to learn English? Does he? So with does we use it with he, she, it when we have a verb. So when we have a verb. So but you should remember that we don't use does with verb to be. With or is we don't use does. So does he want to learn English? She go to the gym every day. Does she go to the gym every day? Alison watch TV in the evening. Does Alison watch TV in the evening? Jackson miss his family very much. Does Jackson miss his family very much? So as you see, we have he, but the verb doesn't take s or es. Why? Because we have does. So when we have does and doesn't, the verb doesn't take s, even if it is with he, she, it.